Welcome to the CPE Term Project. This session explains how to use Wonderland Engine to create VR games for the CPE project, and how to connect your computer to run VR applications. Required equipment: VR headset, hand controllers, a Mac or Windows computer, and a USB-C cable that supports data transfer. First, download Wonderland Engine. Second, install the software. Third, launch the engine and select VR Project. Next, the main interface will appear. Then, click the green button once to run the game in a web browser. If the browser test works, connect your USB-C cable to the computer. After that, connect the other end of the cable to the VR headset. Now, put on the headset. If asked to allow connection or trust the computer, select Allow. Moreover, on the computer, inside Wonderland Engine, select MetaQuest under Local Device. Then, click Play. Finally, your VR application will run inside the headset. You also have access to the complete Wonderland Engine course with 6 modules. Use these as reference materials and explore additional tutorials or resources online if needed. To document your project, record your game inside the headset. Download the recording using the Meta Horizon mobile app. If login issues occur, you may reset the headset to factory settings. Tutorial links for these steps are provided below. Additional links to resources such as 3D models, animations, and music are also included below. Best wishes for success on your project.